Ayaw! Narasi mong tapan! Narasi mong tapan! Panganay na. Sige. Sige. Sabi mo ng kanta.
Muli mo muna Valencia.
Sige.
Huwag mo sanang limot
Ang mga araw at
hindi
sana nataho.
mga anak at bahay natin
Pinagtano lahat ng to'y na iniwan nyo. Kaya busog ya!
ibuhos na
Ang hir sa akin na lamunan upang malunod na ang puso ko nahihirapan bawat patak.
anong sarap. Ano pa talaga ang gusto ko? Hindi na to ang pag-ibig ko.
Adara!
Nais kong magpakasabay dahil ulat sa ko.
Ano ba video isa? Dahil na ko'y buhaton.
Anong
Abot, araw sa
Kahit
daw mo.
ikaw, ano ba yung magkataon?
What's that? Nagkunawan pa ka?
buhat ko rin ako sa kalirot na nakapit.
Ang usok nito.
Lahat ay aking gagawin kapag hindi ko nagising pinag-iisa lang ako.
Ibuhos na ang din sa aking lamunan.
Upang malunod
Nura ang puso ko nahihirapan.
bawat patak, anong sarap, ano pa talaga ang gusto ko?
Ang lima ko ang pag-ibig mo. Our main vocalist for tonight's video, Kuya Elmer.
Hello guys,
Hello guys.
thank you for
Watching.
watching Dana's vlog.
Giliw. Huwag mo sana limutin ang mga araw na hindi sana naglaho.
Mga anak at bahay natin pinaglaban.
Lahat ng ito'y nawala na iniwan mo. Kaya ngayon ibuhos na
have naturally sweetened with stevia. Delicious flavor.
Hi, Ma. Bigyan ko na yung phone bills natin.
Dahil.
So guys, here's our main vocalist for tonight's band. It's Kuya Elmer and Nadia.
Just once, let me figure out we can do it wrong.
Hello po, welcome for tonight's video. So I'm here to interview how was your day or how was tonight's event?
I'm so happy this night
Because
today is the second anniversary for Just Dead and Hardware Electrical Supply, and I'm so happy because our family here is all complete, especially Dana.
okay, next interviewer is here's my mama and papa is eating their dinner. And here's our Sudan and the tarpaulin. It's the cake. Their cake, two cake. And this one is the pancit. And this one is a chicken feet, escabeche, espaghete, lechon nga giumigas. Ano chop suey. Manisod. Kamote, ginogoan, and sinugba. And here's the gang. They are singing along and drinking beer. Here's Ate Margin. This our next target of our interview. Hello, good evening. Miss Anja, I have a question for you. I have a question for you. How was your tonight's video or today's event? Is it good or bad? Do you receive any prizes or gift? What is that?
Electric fan.
Woohoo! So here's the prize electric fan. And here's the people.
Hello.
Here's Ate Bevax. So I'm gonna turn off the video guys because my kamot is very hawoy na. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.